Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today, we're going to take a look at outdoor solar light. Now, this is all weatherproof. It could go up to 8 hours depending on the charge. Now, depending on the sun too. Now, if you guys could see on the top, this is flexible. All right, you can move it any direction you want. You can spin this anywhere you want to gather the solar lights. Okay, now these go up to 270 degrees. Because it pretty much it's going to be fixed against the wall. You can't go all the way back, but these are also flexible. This one is up and down. You can move it up and down. That's pretty much sensor. All right, wise. This is the sensor right here, and then right behind it, if you guys can see it, this it's very simple to mount. Not only that, right here is actually the button where you find it right here. You easily just drill the holes on with the screws on the side, and this kind of just hangs on through there. Now, like I said, these are all waterproof, water resistant, and it has a sensor for day and night mode. All right, so it kind of knows exactly when it, dark to light. That's pretty much it does. It turns down, it dims down for like almost to 10%. And if anybody passes by, it goes back high to the 100%. So to save battery in a way. Now to turn it on is very simple. You just hit the button once. Hit the one at once, and we're gonna see if we could cover it. And if you guys can see, I'm gonna cover the sensors, and I'm gonna put this on the side and try to cover as much as we can. There we go. So movement wise, this thing's the sensor right here. It's gonna be fixed on wherever direction. Like I said, up to 270 degrees it could get. All right, so you're walking by it, it's gonna light up. All right, so let's go ahead and turn it off again. Hit the button, and that's it. We just two modes. That's it, off and on, pretty much. So let's go ahead and set it up and see what you guys think about it, man. So far, I like it. It's very flexible, easy to set up. All right, so if you guys can see, I'm almost made my 2 inches. It's almost 2 inches, but it's a little bit. It's about 1 3/4. All right, 1 3/4. All right, close to. So we'll be able to grab it right there if you guys can see it. So you got to make sure you drill apart. So I'm gonna show you the rest too. So let me explain to you how come we have to do 1 3/4. So if you guys can see, we're gonna put the separation on these two. If you can see, it's just about there. Zoom out a little bit more. So you gotta make sure you got that distance. All right, so that's important in order for these to grab onto the actual screw. So let's go ahead and continue. All right, if you guys can see, it's lighting up this whole place here with the movement. Let me get a little closer so you guys can see it. So the light itself, it's adjustable from different ways, different angles. You could more on this on the left or the right, or you could focus on the center if you want. And of course, the light is rechargeable, and as soon as you move away, you're gonna see it come back in a couple of seconds. See how good is the security light coming in. But overall, it's lighting up this whole place. After a couple minutes of no movement, if you walk in front of it, look, it still stays on, but then it just brights it up. So not that bad. So that's pretty much does it, guys. So if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.